JNTU Hyderabad and OU exams are to be postponed, says Times of India. So this was the exact article which is being published in today's Times of India newspaper, that is 18th of June. University exams are likely to be postponed by the Higher Education Department officials due to COVID-19. So the exams which are scheduled from June 20 are expected to be postponed during a review meeting which is to be held on Thursday. That is today itself on June 18. Following numerous representations and complaints from students, Chief Secretary of Education Chitra Ramachandran sir is all set to set a review meeting to discuss about university exams, whether they should be held or cancelled or postponed. So one of the officials have said to Times of India that we are keen on postponing the exams by a couple of weeks for final year students, and for first year, second year, third year students we can conduct the exams even in August. There is no problem for that because we have to award degrees for final year students. I'm really worried about all those students or final year students. If they conduct exams at this current crisis, then it is going to be a very bad decision because right now cases are at its peak. Meanwhile, students continue to seek promotion without exams. Yes, we have to continue our protest unless and until they cancel the exams and promote all the students because this is the right decision they should take. All the student bodies are with us and all JNTU and OU students have already united. So we have to keep up our protest and make sure that government cancel exams for UG and PG students too. And the petition which was filed by NSUI in the High Court of Telangana regarding cancellation of exams. So the future hearing is on June 20. So this is also going to be a game changing decision for the Telangana government. So as you all know, Telangana government had decided to conduct SSC exams. Then the High Court has said that don't conduct exams at this time. They have warned Telangana government. Then soon after that, KCR sir has promoted all SSC students without conducting any exams. First, he has said that SSC exams will be postponed across Telangana. Then after that, he has set up a meeting regarding SSC exams, whether they should be conducted or not. Then soon after the meeting, he has said that no 10th class exams, all students should be promoted in Telangana. So we expect the same for UG and PG exams too. So the entire Dream Builders family is going to protest unless and until all the exams get cancelled and all students get promoted without conducting any exam. If you are new to this channel, then do subscribe this channel for more latest updates related to JNTU and OU. Thanks for watching. Leave a like below.